Hey, shout out Cardi. You did that, girl. Hey. Okay. Hey, this little beat, I'm gon' eat it up. What I'm supposed to do, I repeat, I'm gon' eat this beat like some bloody food. If that's your freak, don't get mad at me. She already chose. Have a seat, elevate your feet. Go get comfortable, yeah. I don't dance now, this that Cardi move. You only run your mouth, that's not cardio. When I drink, call it Cardi B, that's what Cardi though. Young OG, who that? This is me, I'm like Mario. Only remix her request. How much you spend for your necklace? You and your bitch should get tested. Her pussy smell like intestines. You got her money repellent, she broke. I was depressed for a second, I'm never pressed to be present. I show up late like I'm pregnant. I go on dates with a lesbian. She said her girlfriend can't scout. I put hoes like there's some teeth. I put hoes without my teeth. Don't argue about hoes with me. I put some hoes in your IT. When you go to bed, I'm working. When you woke, I still ain't sleep. I got your bitch wet. I'm like Dipset. She don't suck. She got the lead. I can't afford. Tell your bitch I can't afford. Girl, you keep talking, shut up. I got that K on me tour. Don't play with me once, or they gon' fit you for a tour. I put the dick in the cuts. You like to lick in her butt. I like to hit it and burn. You like to meet with her mom. I let the bitch on for months. All these niggas talking crazy like I didn't know them before. All that street shit they be saying like I didn't do that before. Put my hand above my hip, I bet this nigga play limbo. Split the cake if I don't like the way it's sliced, I go Kimbo. Got a yellow bitch so bad that pussy squirt out liquid gold. Got a chocolate bitch so bad that nigga Willy Wonka stole. All that lacking Snapchat in the traffic, they gon' get you smoked. When it happen, show me all that rapping you did in your song. Say, I don't brag now, I let my private speak. How the fuck are you a boss and you ain't got no property? I hear all you niggas rapping, time my plugs, and you don't know one. So if you wanna beef and go to war, then I'm a shogun. Okay, that line was over your head, just like a hippo. Y'all ain't got birds, you a scarecrow. I am not what you prepare for. Where's Jose Cuervo? Okay, bitch, I'm on my level. Knock, knock, welcome to my tribe. Tell me what you here for. I got this remixing, I got this raw. I get straight to the point, just like a arrow. They got so many questions, I don't give them answers. Put your hoe on the pill and I beat her back, and I get low and I feel like a praying mantis with a scope on a man on that's real fast, real fast. That's where my deal at. Bodak, yellow, I just killed that. Can't change up, razor tuck, just because they wouldn't let a nigga in with the bank and tuck. Dangerous, what's my name? K the